Quadrilateral is figure which is bounded by four straight lines. A quadrilateral has how many vertices? Four vertices, four sides, four angles. And sum of all angle of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. And types of quadrilateral. First we have to discuss about square. Square has four equal sides. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, and diagonals of square also equal. In square, all sides are equal and diagonals also equal, and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. Yes or no? Note down this. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, and each angle is equal to 90 degrees, and diagonals bisect the rectangle into two equal congruent triangles. Okay, one diagonal bisect the rectangle into how many congruent triangles? Two congruent triangles. Now you see this is the diagonal AC, and observe this diagonal AC, and this diagonal AC divides the rectangle into two triangles. One is ADC triangle and other one is, what is the other one triangle here? Chapandi. What is the other triangle is? That is ABC triangle. And these two triangles are congruent to each other. Similarly, here BD also, here BD, you consider the diagonal BD. Diagonal BD bisects the rectangle into two congruent triangles. What are the congruent triangles we have here? Triangle ABD, and one more triangle is triangle BDC, and these two triangles are the congruent triangles to each other. Okay, and here in quadrilateral ABCD, here AB and CD are equal sides. Similarly, opposite sides are equal, and AD is equal to BC, and diagonals AC is equal to BD. Okay, diagonals bisect the rectangle into two equal congruent triangles. Note down this. And just you put this congruent symbol here, congruent symbol. Also in rectangle, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Trapezium, a quadrilateral in which exactly one pair of parallel sides are equal is called as trapezium. Only one pair of sides only parallel, the remaining other two sides are non-parallel sides. Okay, here what are the parallel sides are there in given trapezium? AB and CD are the parallel sides, and what are the non-parallel sides? AD and BC are the non-parallel sides. A trapezium is an isosceles trapezium if its non-parallel sides are also equal. Okay, how do you make the isosceles trapezium? And this is the isosceles trapezium. So why? Because here, let us say this is A, B, C, D. In this, AB is parallel to CD, and these two non-parallel sides are equal to each other. That means here AD is equal to BC, and such type of trapeziums we called as isosceles trapezium. So what is the name of this trapezium? Isosceles trapezium. Yes or no? Yes. This is isosceles trapezium. Here AB is parallel to CD, AD is equal to BC. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Note down this. Okay, in a parallelogram, both pairs of opposite sides are equal. Here AB is parallel to CD, and AD is parallel to BC, and also the opposite sides are equal, and we can write this AB equal to CD, and also we can say that AD equal to BC. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and also opposite sides are equal to each other, right? So you write down these two. In a parallelogram, two opposite angles are also equal. Means here angle A is equal to angle C. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle D. And also, sum of two adjacent angles of the parallelogram equal to 180 degrees. Means angle A plus angle D, angle D plus angle C, angle C plus angle B, or angle A plus angle B. So sum of all these angles means which is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Okay. Sum of adjacent angles in a parallelogram equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Each diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Means you see here, this is a BD. BD diagonal divides this parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Here congruent triangle. What is the congruent triangle we have here? Triangle ABD, and one more is triangle BCD. And these two triangles are congruent to each other. Similarly, if you consider the diagonal AC, this AC diagonal divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So what are the congruent triangles we can see here? Here triangle ADC and triangle ABC, and these two triangles are congruent triangles. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So what is the main difference between the rhombus and the square? So in rhombus, all sides are equal. In square, all sides are equal. But only one difference is, in rhombus, diagonals are not equal. Here AC is not equal to BD. Diagonals are not equal, but all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. So we can make the rhombus like this. So first you draw the diagonals. Like this. Okay, so the diagonals are not equal. You see your diagonals are equal or not? No, it is not equal. The vertical line is longer than horizontal line. You see, now you just join all these sides. All sides are equal, right? So this is the side AB, BC, like that. So like kite. So you draw the all sides like this. Okay, in diagonals are not equal, but all sides are equal. Okay, you make the diagram like this, not like this. Okay, so just you draw the diagram like this. A, B, C, D. Means here all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. But diagonals are not equal. You observe the AC diagonal length is more than BD diagonal. Okay. In case of rhombus, the diagonals are not equal. You write clearly here. In rhombus, sides are equal. All sides are equal. Not sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. This is the main difference between the square and rhombus. In square, all sides are equal. Diagonals are also equal. Okay. In rhombus, diagonals not equal, but all sides are equal. Now, here one more is there. The opposite sides of rhombus are parallel. Opposite angles of rhombus are equal. Each diagonal of rhombus divides it into two congruent triangles. Okay, this is also example for parallelogram, right? Each diagonal of a rhombus divided into two congruent triangles. What are the congruent triangles are there? Can you tell? So when you consider the AC as a diagonal, what are the triangles we can get here? Triangle, all of you please interact. What is the triangle we have here? ADC. Triangle ACD is congruent with triangle ACB. ACB. When you consider the BD as a diagonal, what are the triangles are congruent here? ADB. Triangle. Yeah, no, not like this. You start from the diagonal. So triangle BDA, triangle BDC, and these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Similarly, in parallelogram, yeah, rhombus also example for parallelogram. In parallelogram also diagonals bisect as two congruent triangles. Here also each diagonal of rhombus divided it into two congruent triangles. Okay, note on this.